There are different ways in which animal or plant remains can become a fossil. So, for example, in one type of fossilization known as replacement, as water gradually dissolves the organic material of a once living thing, the minerals which were present in the water then form precipitates and replace the originally organic materials. And so thus you would have inorganic sediments which could later be compressed and form rock, which have the form of the once living material. In perimineralization, water will seep through holes that exist, say, in bone or in wood. And as minerals precipitate out from the water solution, which is filtering through this material, it fills in the holes which were already there. So in perimineralization, one still has the structure of the original organic material, but the holes have been filled in with sediment, which can then be compressed to form rock. Petrified Forest National Park has a wonderful array of logs from fossil trees. These were primarily gymnosperm relatives, although not close relatives of any gymnosperm alive today, although other types of trees such as ginkgos, cycads, tree ferns, and lycopods and horsetails also existed at that time and can also be found in this site. These trees were alive in the late Triassic from say 218 million years ago to 211 million years ago, and they lived in a river basin, perhaps the size of the Amazon, so that when the trees fell, they could be washed to areas where there were log jams or buried, and thus water could seep into the wood material. And then the minerals in the water could then replace the original organic material or fill in the spaces from the existing tree organic material. The great assortment of colors comes from the diversity of minerals which can infiltrate the tree trunks. So, for example, silica is the most common mineral, and silica dioxide or quartz can then form white material inside of this petrified wood. The iron which was present, if it was unoxidized when it was dissolved in water, could then bind to oxygen and then precipitate out as hematite, which gives a red color, or also minerals which give yellow, brown, and orange colors. If sulfur was present, iron sulfide could give the petrified wood a black hue, and manganese oxides from the igneous rocks resulting from the volcanic activity in the area could give petrified wood different hues of purple and blue. Rarely, chromium could give a green color.